If you want to earn money online and then you want to create the video without showing your face, you are in the right place. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can create the video without showing your face. Just give the script to the software that generate from script, audio and then video. That is very easy online video editor that you can post on the social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels or TikTok or any other social media platforms that you can earn money online. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, first of all we go to the Google and type there veed.io. So we type there veed.io and then hit enter. So now you can see the new dashboard on the screen, and then you can see here anyone can make a great video. That means your audience pay first video, and then you can create the videos here to post any social media platform. You can remove the background, you can create the transcripts, and then silence as noise remover and filter and effects. Everything you can get here in this platform. And then the most important thing is that you can give the script that they can create the audio from script also, and then looks like human, not the robotic voice. It's fully free that you can use. So without wasting the time, we just click the dashboard. So here you can find out the many templates that you can use, and then if you can see in the sidebar new video, home, templates, all videos, projects, recordings, live stream, brand kit. So here we start, just click the new video and then choose here the create project. Here you can see the stock videos and then stock audios, and then more. If we click the more, you can see there are many audios. This one copyright free from the stock audio, and then videos also same thing, that you can find out here the video all copyright free you can use in YouTube or any other platform. That one is fully copyright free. If you are scared to use these videos, you can also use the any other websites video, for example Pixabay or Pixlr, that download and then you can use here. You can see here the upload a file, so you can browse your video, audio or record directly. Everything you can edit online here. So for example, we just take this clip. So now you can see here we already take the video from this stock videos, and then here you can see the size you can change here. You can see here the many social media platforms that you can post in the YouTube. You can create the resolution that you want to YouTube long videos, the landscape screen, and or YouTube shorts or TikTok or Instagram posts, Instagram story, Instagram reels, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook post, Facebook story, Facebook video, Snapchat, all resolutions that you can create that same video. So I just select I'm creating the YouTube shorts, so we just select the YouTube shorts. So it will convert automatically in the portrait screen. So now our video is portrait screen. So now the next thing is we use any script or audio for our video. So if you want to record your audio, you can record directly or upload file, or you can create the text to speech. That is the very best helpful, that you can give the text and then it will speech for you. For example, I just go to the Google and then type here motivational quotes, and then take any quote from here. For example, I just copy this one and then give to the text to speech, and then here I select the language, which language I want, You can choose any language you want. For example, I just using now English. I choose the English India, and then voice, you want female or male. So for example, I just select the male voice Prabhat, so I just select that one, and then I use here my text, so it will automatically convert your text in the audio. Then I click the add to project. So as you can see, our video is, the audio is more longer than our clip. So what we need to do, we just copy, or you can add here any other clip, but I'm not doing the any other clip. I just paste here the same clip and then reduce this. Okay, so our text to speech is ready. For example, I just play.
Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue those counts. Winston S. Churchill.
So that is our scripted audio. It's created by AI. Now we put the text here. So we click the text, then we just select anything we want. You can choose many text there. Then I give the same script here. Then you can make it bold, make it slightly center. Then you can choose the here many font style here. You can change the font style also. For example, I choose this one, and then you can resize also. Okay, then you can make it bigger. Then you can add the effects also. Then you can change also text color you want, whatever you want. For example, I just select this yellow font. For example, I choose this one, and then click the animation. So I just drag this text here, and then same size. So now our text also is ready. So if we want to add any background music, so we just click here the add media, then you can choose here anything. For example, I just add here, or if you don't like here the music, you can import your own music, background music, copyright free music that you can use here. For example, this one is the example basis, so I'm not going to waste your time, so I just select this one. For example, I just here, so we reduce the music sound. I just keep 10%, and then we try to on.
Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue those counts. Winston S. Churchill.
So that is the simple and easy method that you can create your own video. Just if you every day create like this video, more than 10 videos, and then you post on the YouTube shorts or Facebook reels or Instagram reels, you can earn money easily. Just give 1 to 2 hours, you can create. This one is the only wasting the 5 minutes that you can create like this shorts, motivational shorts with the audio that YouTube will get your videos monetized. This one, as you can see, we just created the 7 seconds or 8 seconds or 9 seconds video, and then we can easily export. We just simply export and then post on the social media, any platform you want. So for example, this one is the 100% ready, and then I can click here directly download, or you can download by your download manager. So I'm downloading my download manager, then I open and play.
Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue those counts. Winston S. Churchill.
So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tricks, new tips. Thank you.